Let's brew some coffee using the CasaBrews Ultra. A very important part is having fresh coffee beans. You always want to have fresh coffee beans and preferably a bag that has a roast date. Every coffee bean is different, some are more dense than others, so you might have to grind coarser or finer. The coarser, the faster the espresso will be, the finer, the slower. Let's brew a few shots. I'm using 18 grams. However, depending on the coffee and the basket, you might need a little more or a little less. This is very coarse, and as you can see, it is flowing way too fast. We need to grind finer. There is 0 to little crema. The puck is not holding its shape, so let's try to go a little finer. Also, keep in mind, if no matter what you do, your coffee still tastes burnt, just try something a little lighter. Now you can see it still flows very fast. The puck is looking a little better, but we're still not there yet. So we're gonna have to grind a little finer and maybe try something different. Now this is on the other spectrum. It is way too fine, or I tamped way too hard and nothing is coming out. So let's try something different. I'm using a medium roasted coffee and I'm still using 18 grams. Ideally, you want your espresso to flow like a stream of honey. So far, so good. I was able to pull 36 grams in about 30 seconds. The crema looks good on this shot, and the puck is holding its shape. Now let's move on to steaming milk. I always purge before and after, and I don't fill past the spout. I place my pitcher at a 45-degree angle. Once I get a whirlpool going, I bring it down, I inject air. Once I'm done with that, I bring it back up and I texturize the milk. Every milk is different. You might have to adjust, but ideally your milk should look like wet paint. The texture should be velvety and silky. Last but not least, if you hold the water button, you can change the temperature on this machine. I hope this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.